Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your address location on PayPal. So it's pretty simple. So let's say you're moving from one location to another and you want to change your location in PayPal as well. Well, you can do that by following the steps which I'm going to be showing you. Alright, so it's pretty simple, but before I show you the way, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel with notification on, and let's move forward, shall we? First step is you want to go to your browser and you want to go to this website called paypal.com, which is the official website of PayPal. And once you're over here, you have to log in into your account first. If you guys have already logged in into your account, it's going to show you this page, but if you guys haven't, it's going to ask you to log in first. Now once you log in into your account and come to this page, you want to click on this gear icon at the top. You want to click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to the setting, and on setting you want to go to account, and on account you can see your address over here. To change your address, you can click on edit, and you can edit your address over here by changing whichever place or zip code, whichever thing you want to change. All right, and after you change it, you want to click on update and it will be updated. All right, and that's basically how you guys can change it. Now to remove it, basically you guys have to add one address. All right, you cannot leave the address column empty. So to remove your current address, you need to add a new address, and after the new address is added, you can remove it. There's going to be a remove button right beside edit. Just like over here, if I want to remove this email, I need to convert it into my primary email, and then there's going to be a remove button right over here just like this, and I can click on it. So I need to add a new address over here by clicking on add new, and add a new address and change the new address into my primary address. After I change it into my primary address, I can delete this address which is over here. So yeah, that's basically how this thing works. So it's that simple. So if you guys understand the steps which I told you, you can follow the steps to remove your address. And yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in a bit. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.